Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. This is me, Alia Jaber from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today I'm going to discuss for you Unit 6 and the title is Basketball. Ready? Let's go. This is period 3 we're going to answer. In this lesson, we're going to answer 4 questions. Question 1, listen, stand or sit. Question 2, read then tick the correct sentences. Question 3, read and circle the correct words. And the last question, read page 40 and write answers to the questions. Ready? Let's go.
Track 34. 1. Ben and Omar do not play basketball. 2. Young, old, tall, short, fat, thin, light, and heavy people can play basketball. 3. Dwight Howard plays basketball. 4. Dwight Howard is 50 kilos. 5. Basketball is a fast sport. 6. Girls can't play basketball.
Now, after listening to the sentences, let's see which sentences are stand and which are sit. If the sentence is correct, it means stand. If it is not, it means sit. Let's start with number 1. Read with me. Ben and Omar do not play basketball. It is sit because Ben and Omar play basketball. 2. Young, old, tall, short, fat, thin, light, and heavy people can play basketball. It is correct. So it is stand. 3. Dwight Howard plays basketball. It is correct. Stand. 4. Dwight Howard is 50 kilos. It is not correct. Sit because Dwight Howard is 120 kilos. 5. Basketball is a fast sport. Stand. It is correct. The last sentence. Girls can't play basketball. No, it is not correct. Sit because girls can't play basketball. Now, these are the correct answers. This is question 2. Let's read the question. Read, then tick the correct sentences. Here you have 6 sentences. You have to read them silently. If the sentence is correct, put tick. If the sentence is not correct, underline the mistake in the sentence. Now, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer it alone. Then we can do it together. Start now. Finish? Excellent. Let's do it together. But I want you to read the sentences with me. Ready? Let's read number 1. You need to be clever and strong to play basketball. If you want to play basketball, you must be clever and strong. What do you think? It is? Correct. Tick. You need to be clever and strong to play basketball. Why clever? Clever to know how to throw the ball high and low, and strong to know how to throw the ball. Now, number 2. Fat people can run very fast. Is it correct? What do you think? No, it's not correct. There is a mistake here. What is the mistake? Can run very fast. They can't run very fast. They can run, but not very fast. So fat people can't run very fast. Number 3, short people do low jumps. What do you think? Tick. It's correct. Number 4, thin people are lighter than fat people. When you are thin, you are lighter than fat people. Is it correct? Yes, correct. Tick. Sentence number 5. You need long arms to play basketball? Do we need long arms to play basketball? Yes, it's correct, because we need to throw the ball high. The last sentence, number 6. Read with me. In basketball, you need to jump high? It is correct. Now, it's time to check your answers. If your answers are correct, you are excellent. If you have any mistake, it's okay. You can correct it. Now, let's read question 3. Read and circle the correct words. Here we have 5 sentences, and for every sentence we have 2 answers. I want you to read the sentence and then circle the correct answer for it. I'm going to give you 1 minute to do it. Now start. Stop. Let's answer them together. I want you to read with me. Dwight Howard plays volleyball or basketball? We said Dwight Howard is American. He can play what? Volleyball or basketball? What is the correct answer? Of course, it is basketball. 2. Ben and Omar play table tennis or basketball? Yeah, basketball. 3. Dwight Howard has wide or short shoulders? The correct answer is wide. 4. Dwight Howard can jump and throw the ball high or wide? He can throw the ball high. The last sentence. 5. Boys and girls can play basketball. What do you think? Only boys can play basketball or boys and girls? The correct answer is boys and girls can play basketball. Now you can check your answers before going to the second question. Now let's see question 4. Read page 40 and write answers to the questions. Number 1. Who can play basketball? Before answering the number 1, I want you to go back to page 40. Read it carefully. Then come again here. Read the questions and write answers to them. You can find answers where? In page 40. Now I'm going to give you some time to answer them and to read page 40. Now let's start. Your time finished. Can we start answering? Yeah, read with me. Number 1 again. Who can play basketball? What do you think? Who can play basketball? Everyone can play basketball. Boys and girls can play basketball. Fat, thin, everyone can play basketball. Question 2. How many people do you need to play basketball? If you want to play basketball with your friends, how many people do you need? Yes, we need 5 people. Question 3. How heavy is Dwight Howard? Do you remember how heavy is Dwight Howard? He is over 120 kilos. He is very heavy. Question 4. Read. What can Dwight Howard do? What can he do? He can throw the ball up high and low. You remember we said that Dwight Howard is American and he is a basketball player. Question 5, the last question. What does Omar say about Dwight Howard? What did he say? He is amazing. He is amazing. Now these are the answers for question 4. If you have any mistake, you can check it and you can correct it. Our lesson for today is finished. I hope you understood everything. See you soon. Goodbye.